What's up, ladies and gentlemen, it's Danielle and welcome to my channel. This is a using tutorial and assembly video of our latest model OKAI ES520B, which we have just launched in OKAI official shop on Amazon. If you feel interested, please click the link below, which will lead you to this model specifically. So this video will be divided into 3 parts. Part 1, unboxing and assembly. Part 2, using tutorial and features. Part 3, real street performance testing. You can drag the video progress bar to where you are interested, or can just simply follow my schedule and get a full picture. So, are you ready? Let's go! Okay, so this is how the box look like once you receive it. We recommend you to take pictures of 6 sides to make sure like nothing is damaged outside. This is a product label, so you can check out this is electric scooter model ES520B, and the using age is 14 to 6 years old. The max load is 120 kilograms, which is around 264 pounds, and the net weight is 16.9 kilograms, which is around 37 pounds. And this is the package size, is like just for your reference. On this side, it displays like the highlight features of ES520B, also the most important features: the panel, the brakes, electric brake and disc brake, and folding system. The max range is like 35 miles, and rated power 300, and max power is 600, and with 24% max slope. We can also like do the real street testing later. Actually, like also have the quick setup guide as well. So there's like 5 pictures. We'll show you like each step, how you unbox and then do the assembly. You can have a reference like for later, but since now you're watching this video, so let's skip that one. This is how it looks like inside, and just take out all the fillings. And here, this is the charger. You don't have to connect cable, it's all connected, and you just need to insert in it carefully. Make sure like the cables don't get cut by the metal part. And here, like the 2 holes, you match them here. Okay, and here is the folding mechanism. So in this toolkit, you have five screws, and this is the adapter for you to inflate the tires, and this is and with another like screwdriver. So we take out these 5 screws, and you make sure like all the holes are matched, like the inner stem and also like the inner headset and also stem. And we fix the headset right now. These are the like inside the this package. So this one is the manual book. Please keep it for future references. This is of the sales service description and the warranty card. And this is the quick install guide. So 3 of them. Okay, now we just finished the whole assembly. Let's have a quick recap. Step 1, you lift the stem and fix it. Step 2, insert the headset into the stem. Step 3, fix the stem and headset with 4 screws. And you have your scooter ready. On the display, there's a plastic protector. There's a QR code up here, and you can scan it to download OKAI Global app. And here is the quick instruction of using this button. You click once the button to turn on the scooter, and on the display there are speed information, there are your gear information, and here's your battery status. And you double click the button, it changes the mode, like the driving mode, which is a gear. Right now it's a eco mode, and double click it again, and now you have the low speed mode. And double click again. Actually, this is 15 miles per hour, that's the top speed, so that's a high speed gear. And you click once again, it turns on the headlights. You see that I have quite bright light here, and you one click again, you turn off the lights, and then you hold it for 3 seconds to turn off the scooter.
About the size of the deck, especially the footrest part.
For you to have a better reference, this is my foot. So I'm like size 35 or 225 centimeter. So for me, actually, it's easily I can put 2 foot, like literally, like completely on the board, no problem. I can also place my foot like in this way, no problem on the deck at all. Okay, so for the whole vehicle size, as you can see, is the stem, the top is around my chest, but my height is quite small. I'm only 4'11" for your reference. So this is the whole headset, and here is the integrated display, and the throttle is on your right hand side, and here's the bell and the brake lever. And this one is for folding your scooter. Okay, when you need to fold a scooter, there are 2 steps. So first, you lift this secure button, and then second, you open it.
You fold it down and make sure the hook on the fender goes right into the buckle on the headset.
Hook is not only for you to fold a scooter to hold on the fender, but also it can be like a hook for your handbags. So this is my OKAI bag. Let's go for a real street test ride. So I live in a quite flat neighborhood, so I don't have too many hills which I can test this ES520B electric scooter. So I'm gonna try that hill over there, which leads to the Marriott Hotel. Here. There it is. So we're gonna go there to test the climb capability. The ES520B is non-zero start on the original setting. I will give a little bit speed and then press the throttle to speed up to climb that hill. Let's try it. Okay, the top speed still can go up to 12 miles per hour. Whew. So the ground material is quite different. The downhill, like over there, you can see the ground is quite rough. So there are 2 brakes that ES520B has. One is like electronic brake, and the other one is like disc brake, the mechanical one. Let's try the downhill. We can use the brake to control the downhill speed. Okay, I remained 8 miles per hour. Let's see the acceleration. It's like from 0 mph to the top speed 15 mph. How many seconds does it take? 1, 2, 3, 4. some car just stopped in front of me and somebody's getting off. But as we can see, the braking power is quite strong. That was close. Thanks to the pneumatic tires, so the suspension is quite smooth.
Okay, that was all of this video. Don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe if you find it useful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Either way, I'll see you next time.